She turns the broken into bright new life. A bottle cap becomes a work of design. Scraps and pieces love her clever touch, making beauty from what don't mean much. Old newspaper pages find a second chance. She spins them around like a crafty dance. Empty jars now strut in the candlelight glow. A world of wonder in the things you throw. Trash into treasure, a gift in her hands. Recycling dreams, dust turn to plans. Tracy's creations, they sparkle and gleam. Crafty mind, chasing crafty dreams. Worn out fabrics become fresh scenes. A dash of glitter brings life to the seams. Her canvas is endless, her spirit's light, crafting the world till it's shining bright. A box is a birdhouse, a jar holds the stars. Nothing's too small to climb that far. She sees a treasure where others see none. Tracy's world is a colorful one. Scrap metal twisted, it transforms twice. A rusty tool, now an artful device. She finds beauty where the world won't look. Trash into treasure, her unwritten book. Crafty mind, chasing crafty dreams.